Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a specific component that's really useful for anyone in an audio DIY or needing to replace a small speaker in an electronic device. This is the 10W8 Ohm 22mm internal magnetic tweeter. It's designed primarily as a replacement speaker for various DIY projects, offering a compact solution for audio output. One of the standout features mentioned is its high sensitivity, which translates directly into a loud voice and, importantly, good and clear sound quality. For its relatively small size, getting adequate volume is crucial for many applications. And it seems this speaker delivers on that front, making a solid choice if you have a project that requires this specific type of output without taking up much space. Beyond the sound performance, the physical aspects are also highlighted as key benefits. The speaker is described as easy to install, which is always a significant advantage for DIY work, saving time and hassle. It also boasts stable performance once connected and is built to be sturdy, suggesting durability. This means once it's in place, you can expect it to function reliably over time. Its main application is indeed replacing existing speakers in electronic devices where a small, powerful, and clear-sounding driver is needed, perhaps in portable gadgets, small audio systems, or custom builds. So, if you're working on repairing or building something that needs a 10-watt, 8-ohm speaker of this size, this particular 22mm internal magnetic tweeter appears to be a very capable option, offering good performance, ease of use, and a sturdy build for those kinds of tasks. It seems like a practical and effective component for anyone needing a reliable small speaker replacement or addition to their audio setup, providing clear sound and sufficient volume for its class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.